Hello friends, so continue Shaolin 13 claws. Yesterday we practiced rooster movements and today I will do a summary. Shaolin 13 claws contains 15 group of movements which we can practice all independently. So today, let's go. Okay. This is the end movements of all animal characters. So suppose we just finished the last movements of cock, of rooster. Now I will turn to left, lift my left leg and wave my left claw to left. And at the same time I will push down my right claw. Then I will put down my left claw to the ground. I will jump. At the same time, I will draw an arc with my right claw to left and to right. Then I will step ahead with my right leg and push my right claw to right. Then I will rotate my right claw, push downward in front of my abdomen, and I will step left leg to right side, and at the same time I will push my left claw. Push. Then I will step my left leg to the back of my right leg. And I will raise upward my left claw to the right shoulder. Two claws cross in front of my abdomen, and then left claw make arc to left, right claw make arc to right. Then I rotate my body, raise right claw, horse riding stance, and raise left claw. Then I step back the left leg, tiptoe touch ground, heel lift, and then I will make an arc with my right claw to the left side, hook, and pull back my left claw to the right shoulder. Then I will pull back my right claw to the right waist and push left claw to left side. So this is the end movement of summary. Then I stand straight. So raise my right claw and left claw upward, and then pass my chest, face and chest downward, and finish. Okay, I repeat again. I turn to my left, lift left leg, wave left claw to left, and I jump with my left leg, wave my right claw to right, and step ahead, bow stance, push forward, push down, step left leg, push left claw forward. Then I will step the right leg to the back side of left leg. And the left claw above, the claw goes in front of my chest and to sides. Then I rotate my body to a horse riding stance. Then I hook my right claw to left and push left claw. Then finish. Okay, I repeat again with another side. So I repeat again here. So I repeat my last time and I will say bye bye to you. And if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Push. Push. Thank you.